That section there, it needs reinforcing before we cut.
Got it, I'll secure it now.
Oh. More extensive damage here than we estimated.
Yes, yes, the rust has eaten right through the plating.
Cut complete, switch it off. All right, crane engaging, stand clear. Lift it slow. All right, coming up slow, watch the sparks. Clear below, keep it steady.
Lower it now. Okay, hold it right there. Easy, easy. Drop it.
I'm marking this section for further review.
The ultrasonic shows consistent thickness here.
All right, document it and let's check the next plate.
Hold it right there. All right, easy left now. Keep it straight over there. All right, spray coming down now. Watch the edge. All clear, bring it down. Move the forklift back. Watch that section coming down. All right, pull it left.
This flow rate on loop 3 is showing an anomaly right here.
Right here.
The viscosity calculation confirms it. We need to
Look at the sparks on the main rotor. We might need to check the alignment soon.
Yeah, I see it. Let's schedule maintenance for the weekend.
accuracy levels are fluctuating outside the acceptable parameters in Sector 3.
The algorithm update should stabilize that within the next cycle.
The flow rate is stabilizing now.
Confirmed. Pressure looks good. I've logged the adjustment.
Watch the temperature on that ladle, it's running hot. I see it. Slowing the pour rate slightly. This seam right here looks weak.
We need to reinforce the weld before the next section goes up.
Okay, bring it down easy. Laser aligned on the mark, hold it right there. Set her down slowly now.
This section is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Finalizing the report now.
The power input to the plasma welder seems unstable based on this schematic.
It's fluctuating too much. We need to recalibrate them immediately.
Cavitation damage is evident on the leading edge of blade 3. Pitting corrosion requires attention prior to sea trials. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Okay, secure the line. Lift it higher now. Hold it steady on the left side. All right, bringing it down slow. Hold it steady up there. Lowering now, watch the starboard side.
This section is showing stress fractures already. We need to red flag this immediately. Understood. Documenting the discrepancy now.
The structural integrity in this section is compromised.
Confirmed. We need to review the alignment data immediately.
Manifest clear. All cargo secured.
Docking ropes released. Ready for departure.
Maintain pressure on the stern tug. We are coming around now. Copy that. Pressure maintained.
We need to inspect the hull plating near the bow. It looks compromised. Noted. We'll include it in the report.
The plating on this section seems slightly off specification.
My readings confirm that. We need to document it before the next phase.